Hello everyone! During construction, many people wonder how to make the facade of a house beautiful and practical. There are a wide variety of solutions available on the market for exterior wall finishes. Today we will tell you about the most ingenious inventions for facades. You will learn about cutting-edge innovations in the world of construction and be able to choose a suitable option for yourself. First on the list is a new material for glass facades developed by German scientists. The essence of this invention lies in creating a light-blocking layer for buildings with transparent glass facades. It's no secret that daylight entering through large glass windows leads to increased room temperatures, resulting in higher electricity costs for air conditioning. Glass facades are mainly used in office buildings, but panoramic glazing is also used in many private homes, so this invention can be helpful to you. The technology works as follows. The light-blocking facade consists of special components that remain in their standard extended position when heated. But when the material cools down, the components begin to contract, increasing light transmission. This helps combat the daytime sunlight, which significantly heats up the interior, while still providing excellent visibility during dark hours. It's an excellent option for sun protection. Moreover, this material is very easy to install, and most importantly, it can be used on already installed glass surfaces and even between them. Currently, this innovation is being further developed to retain heat throughout the day as well as during the night, and to generate electricity using flexible solar panels. Building blocks made from sea salt are already a reality brought to life. The idea of creating this unusual material belongs to a Dutch architect. The invention is based on the process of extracting salt from seawater using solar energy. The salt is subsequently mixed with starch, also extracted from seaweed. The production process of these blocks is closed, meaning it generates no waste. Typically, when desalting seawater, a vast amount of salt is obtained and then discarded back into the ocean. This technology allows for a completely waste-free production because the salt that used to be discarded is now being put to good use. Salt-starch mixtures are suitable for constructing building structures in arid desert areas. To ensure their durability, the surface of salt blocks is covered with a material based on epoxy resin, providing 100% protection against moisture damage. With these blocks, you can create not only beautiful facades but also complete walls for a house, as the strength of this block is very high. Next, you will learn about a highly talked about project. The click facade is an extremely well-known and promising method to quickly and effectively enhance the facade of your home. Thanks to this invention, you can avoid costly stone cladding work on your house. You can independently and easily clad your home with high quality. The unique feature of this technology is that it uses special plastic guides for laying bricks. They are very sturdy and durable. Thanks to this approach, there is no need to use concrete. The entire structure is securely attached to the load-bearing walls of the building. Laying the facade can even be done by a child, as the bricks fit perfectly thanks to special plastic inserts that hold the bricks together instead of concrete. Sufficient space is left between the walls and the facade for insulation. After such work, there will be no pile of garbage and dried cement. The installation is very straightforward, and you won't even have to lift heavy bags of cement. Most importantly, you can save on labor costs because it's impossible to create uneven and weak masonry with this invention. The term sandwich panel may be new and unusual to you, but this type of cladding has long been popular among designers. Essentially, a sandwich panel consists of two sheets of metal bonded together with an insulating layer in between. The metal used in sandwich panels is rigid, and the strength of the product is achieved through pressing the components together. The main advantages of this material are its attractive appearance and the building's thermal insulation. In terms of decorative features, it's worth noting that the surface can be smooth, textured, or profiled. The main advantage of such a facade is the speed of installation. Panels are delivered in a ready-made state. Their installation is extremely simple. Just attach them to the walls of the house. Moreover, sandwich panels have many advantages beyond fast assembly. They are non-combustible, as only non-combustible materials are used in their creation. They are strong and durable, unaffected by temperature fluctuations, moisture, and sunlight. And the most significant advantage is that with sandwich panels you can achieve a completely seamless external finish, which can be used in specific design solutions. Sandwich panels are also used in the construction of modular buildings. The company Sistema uses its patents and advanced developments for the fast and high-quality construction of such structures. They offer a wide range of block container types, from residential and office to sanitary blocks and guard posts. Sistema is a large manufacturing company that has established itself in the market. You can find out more about modular buildings via the link in the description. Linear panels are a facade cladding made up of narrow-profile strips of galvanized steel. Essentially, they are the same as metal cassettes, but produced from thinner steel on a rolling line, resulting in a significantly lower cost per square meter compared to metal cassettes. The functional and visual difference between these two types of facade cladding lies in limiting the width of linear panels to 300 mm, as wider elements made from half millimeter thick steel would not maintain flatness. The attachment method for linear panels is quite simple. They are mounted using screws or rivets, which are painted in the facade color. Panels with a special hidden lock are also manufactured. You've probably seen examples of wall cladding using linear panels. They're typically used to decorate the walls of local supermarkets and kiosks. Often these small shops are located in relatively old buildings with walls that don't look their best. That's why linear panels are used. And one of their advantages is undoubtedly their cost. And as for the next option, you may have already guessed it. Metal cassettes are elements used for cladding facades made from galvanized steel and painted in their final state using a powder coating method. This allows for a wide range of different colors and protects the steel from the aggressive effects of the environment. Cassettes can be made from steel of varying thickness, ranging from 0.7 to 1.2 mm. The recommended thickness is 1.2 mm, as at this thickness, the cassette has optimal rigidity. The attachment of such a facade can be of two types, open and closed. In the open type, the fastening elements are visible, and to conceal the attachment, they need to be painted in the facade color. In the closed variant, the fastening is hidden, achieved through a special shaping that covers the fastening elements. This type of facade execution is more expensive than the previous one, so it's less common. However, it offers higher durability, allows for larger cassette sizes, and most importantly, metal cassettes will look much more expensive due to high-quality painting and hidden fastening. Another option for ventilated facade systems is aluminum composite panels. They are widely used for both residential homes and commercial spaces. This material offers an extensive range of colors and comes with several significant advantages. Aluminum composite panels are modern cladding materials made from two layers of aluminum foil with an inner polymer core, produced using the hot rolling extrusion method. Despite its relatively low cost, aluminum composite panels combine several advantages over other types of ventilated facade cladding. High strength due to the composite material, exceptional durability with warranties often extending to 20 years or more, and resistance to temperature variations. Another significant advantage is that these panels can be customized in non-standard shapes, and they can also be processed on site. Aluminum composite panels come in different fire resistance classes. Some variants are of lower cost but are flammable and come with installation limitations. Higher-priced options are non-flammable and can be used without restrictions. If in previous cases we discussed options for facade cladding, next you will learn more about this technology. When building a house, everyone pays attention to how to adorn their home, and most importantly, do it cheaply and quickly. Therefore, the popularity of ventilated facades has grown. The essence lies in attaching a special metal or wooden frame to the walls of an already constructed building. Erecting the frame creates convenient shelves where you can easily and simply place the insulation you need. Then the cladding material is attached, and the options for this can be quite diverse. The main advantage of this technology is the ability to construct ventilated facades, which reduces the harmful impact of moisture on the building. This is because the circulation of air within the structure prevents the formation of excess humidity and prevents mold growth. The insulation material will never deteriorate, and the building walls will not suffer from moisture. Plus, such constructions can be erected by a single person. Thanks to all these advantages, ventilated facades have gained popularity. Stone cladding can rightfully be considered the oldest method of decorating a house. Of course, in ancient times there were no technologies like the ones we use every day. Therefore, people used the simplest and most common material available. But even today, many want to adorn their homes with real stone. Stone cladding is a labor-intensive and expensive process by today's standards. This is because it requires special stones, a large amount of concrete, and more human labor. All of this is due to the fact that stone facades are not very popular in our time. But credit should be given to the people of antiquity. They used the best material for high-quality house cladding. After all, stone doesn't allow moisture to pass through, retains and accumulates a large amount of heat, allowing for energy savings in heating the house. It is durable and very beautiful. And all of these advantages apply to the most ancient method. Amazing, isn't it? In conclusion, it's important to approach the choice of a facade with intelligence, taking into account your house type and weather conditions. There are many materials and methods for finishing a house. In this video, we've discussed the most beautiful and advanced technologies specifically for you.